Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on most Casio G-Shock watches. So most of the Casio G-Shock watches are going to have the adjust button right here. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. On most of them you are going to hear a small beep, and you are going to usually see the home city flashing, flickering, as you can see right here. So I have Rome since I am in Italy. If you press the mode button, you will be able to toggle between the different options that you have. So I'm going to go past the DST as well. And here the first thing that we can set is going to be the 12/24 hour display, so military time. I prefer military time, but if you want to change it, you can press the forward button. It might have a different name on other Casio G-Shock watches, and as you can see, we are now being shown here 11 p.m. If I press it once again, it is going to switch back to the military time, and we are going to see 23. Now if I press the mode button once again, here we will be able to reset the seconds using the same button. If you reset them between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0 and no minute is going to be added. If you reset them between 30 and 59, they are going to reset to 0, but a minute is also going to be added. Now I'm going to press the mode button again. Here I can adjust the hours. This time I can use both buttons, so I can go either backwards or forward. If you press and hold any of the two buttons, you are going to speed scroll. So this is going to be very useful, especially when you want to set the minutes. So let's make it 22. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can use both buttons once again, so I can go backwards and also use the speed scroll function. Let's make it 45, just like that. Now this is the setting of time. If you also want to set the date, we are going to press the mode button once again, and here we are going to be able to select the year, the month, and the day of the month. If you do those correctly, Casio G-Shock watches will automatically calculate for you the day of the week. So here I can adjust the year. As you can see, I can go forward, I can go backwards, and it is going to work up to 2099. So let's make it, let's say 2035. Then I'm going to press the mode button. Here I can select the month. So let's make it December. And now I'm going to make it the 24th of December. Once again, we can use both buttons, and you can also speed scroll. So you can choose between the two. And now if I continue to press the mode button, we are going to arrive at the light settings, and then we are going to cycle back from the beginning. So in case you made a mistake, you can go and you can change something. For example, I can change the hours. Let's make it 21, just like that. And now if you want to also change something to the date, you can do so. And in case you want to end the process, so to finalize the process, we are going to press the adjust button once again, and all of these settings are going to be saved. As you can see, I am being shown here Monday. So Casio automatically calculated that today is going to be Monday. So guys, this was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. As I mentioned, this tutorial is going to work for most Casio G-Shock watches. I also have the Casio Oak right here that features the same settings, and I also have the G-Shock Square that also can be set using the same tutorial in case you do not use the atomic time. So guys, as you can see, there are a bunch of Casio G-Shock watches that can be set in this way. I also have full guides with all the functions and features of these Casio G-Shock watches individually, so you can go and check it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all of these G-Shock watches in case you want to watch a particular one with all the functions and features. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comment section below if you found this video useful, if you managed to set the time and date, what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel, and also make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.